Hey Clint, this is Mr. Weber. Hey, just wanted to give you this little video to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So when you go to that virtual business website, right here is where your login information is. And if you remember over here, I gave you your login information. This is your username and this is your password right now. Okay. You're going to take that and you're going to put it over right in here and you're going to click sign in. Once you click sign in, it's going to take you to a course page. Okay. And so you're third hour, so you're going to be in here, and then you're going to say go to assignments. All right. And once you get here, you can click on any of these right here, reading quiz, math quiz, or run the simulation. Okay. You do the reading one, you'll need both of these. So you'll click reading, and it will give you your credit card information. Okay. And then you click reading quiz, and then you answer the questions, and that will go back with that other document. Okay, same thing with the math quiz. There's 10 questions, do the best that you can on them. All right. And then you can click close. So even if you just do the reading quiz, I'm fine with that. Okay. So you really only need to do the reading quiz. If you want to try the simulation, it's like the Sims game. Okay. You can try it. You just open it up. And then it'll tell you right here what the steps are. So you'll read this, and in bold, it'll tell you what to do. So apply for a credit card. So you got to find that Olympic Bank. Okay. And it's one of these. So there's Harold. There's HSN. Okay. So you just got to kind of click around until you find it. All right. There's Olympic right there. And then you just do what it's asked. Okay. So just want to kind of give you that brief tutorial so that you kind of knew what was going on. Let me know if you have any more questions.